visibility reduced to near zero in several areas as intense fog grips Delhi NCR. Flight operations were affected at the Delhi airport due to dense fog, and several airlines have temporarily put departures and arrivals on hold. Airlines advise passengers to contact the airline concerned for updated flight information, and several trains have also been delayed at New Delhi railway station due to fog. Highways saw vehicles crawling in slow-moving queues, and dense fog and cold day conditions are likely to continue over parts of northwest and central India during next 2 days and improve thereafter. Now, due to the cold wave in Lucknow, schools have been ordered to remain closed until January 11 for students up to 8th grade. My colleague Kritika Tiwari is now joining us with more details on the cold wave and the fog conditions. Kritika, how is the fog situation currently in the national capital, and also tell us about its impact on the air and rail travel?
Right, Anjali. In fact, the city has been reeling under very dense to dense fog situations, not only this morning, but in fact since last night. So currently also we are live from near the Akshardham temple, and on your screens the visuals will speak for itself. The dense fog has caused, we're not even able to see beyond the boundary wall of the Akshardham temple here. None of the tree cover, none of the garden space. In fact, the temple structure definitely is not visible. On your screens right now, you'll be seeing how the traffic movement, you're barely able to see the blinking lights, the headlights and the fog lights of the incoming traffic here. A lot of commuters are also, remember, this is a Saturday morning, so the expressway is not jam-packed, and that is quite a relief. But on your screens, you'll only be able to see the blinking of the traffic lights. None of the advertisements on the skywalk right on your screens, which generally is very visible, can be made out as of this morning. And this is not the situation just for the national capital. The neighboring cities as well as cities in northwest India are also reeling under fog. And on your screens also you can see how the fog moisture is continuously moving as well. So we've also been hearing how apart from, say, the Bangalore airport down south and in fact in Patna, these are the places that still have above zero visibility. Otherwise, whether it is the Palam airport or the Indira Gandhi International Airport or the Safdarjung airport in Delhi, they're all reporting near zero visibilities, as well as other airports in Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh are also reeling under near zero visibility. And because of this, we've also hearing from the Delhi Airports Authority that about 15 flights were diverted as of late last night, because remember, again, dense fog had started descending on major parts of northwest India since last night itself. In fact, again, would just like to show you visuals down this flyover, where beyond a point you won't be able to see where this grey Hyundai car even went. That is the extreme level of fog that is being reported. Now, the wind speed is also quite low, so it is expected that these fog conditions will also last for another 2-3 hours at least, but we'll wait to see what the latest update from IMD also is. Currently, a yellow alert is underway. And because of this, of course, as you were saying, several trains have also been delayed. Yesterday also we saw when the fog was not in this category, it was slightly less denser. Over 20 trains had been delayed from anywhere between 90 to 200 minutes. Over to you.
Right. Kritika, please stay with us.